Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. I'm back. Stu is back. I have this 2008 Infiniti M35X, M35X, and we're gonna replace the starter. Alright. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Bang it hard. Hit the like button also, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Just let me know what you think about how I'm doing. I'm saying maybe a better way to do to replace this starter in this Infiniti. Just let me know. All right. More or less, we're just gonna disconnect the battery first and then go to the starter. We're gonna have to lift the vehicle because the starter is in a not a difficult location, but it's a little bit tricky though. So this vehicle has 225,386 miles. Alright, 225,386. Well, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get to it. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and enjoy the clip. I hope you like it, and I hope it's very helpful for you. Alright, catch up later. Estuvo, Uru. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Well, it wasn't too tactical. It was more like referring what are the bolts and how to get the started out. And that's the part that I wanna tell you. To get to the bolts to this starter, You can do it through the bottom, but it's easier if you do it from the side, the driver's side. You have to remove the tire, and then you have more like a better reach for the starter. You remove the bolts that hold the starter, then you remove the nut and connect it to which is the power, and then you're gonna have to loose the two bolts that hold the rack and pinion, so you can push it to the side and the starter is gonna come out. I'm finger pointing the bolts that hold the rack and pinion, so you can lose them, push it to the side, and the starter is gonna come out. And then the same way you can put the new starter, and just the install procedure is it goes in reverse. Put the starter, put the bolts that hold the starter, put the bolts that hold the rack and pinion, put the nut that holds the power cable to the starter, put the tire back, connect the battery again, go to your car and start it. And that's how you replace the starter in this 2009. I know I said 2008 in the beginning, but I bet my whole hand is the same design. But this vehicle is a 2009 Infiniti M35X. M35X. Okay. I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. If you know a better way to remove the starter in this vehicle, please put it in the comment box. Okay. Shout outs to my subscribers and the people that follow me. And I'll catch you in the next one. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope it's helpful. Alright, I catch you up in the next one. Holla at your boy, Astuo Borum. Hey!